Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for all any degree holders, all BE, B.Tech and diploma holders can apply for the job. The name of the company is Kia Motors. Now they are recruiting freshers for job opening. So if you are willing means you can apply using the link provided in the description. I also provide the company website link in description as well as informations in description. Read all the informations carefully and act accordingly. You know very well, Kia Motor came to India with a dream to win the hearts of youthful vehicle purchasers with their cutting edge item and dynamic plan, which is achieved in recent times. So just have the highlights of the company. If you are willing means just go there and apply for the job. Designation is sales executive. Education qualification is any degree. Role will be a permanent one and years of experience freshers can apply. Job location is pan India and salary will be as per the company norm. Regarding the job description, the candidate for this position will excel at creating and closing new opportunity by using a consultative approach to selling. This person will use their expertise to identify and qualify the leads, leading to sales opportunity with both new and existing customer. Responsibilities like you need to meet and exceed sales target and successfully create business from new and existing customer account. And I also provide a link in the description. You just click the link and apply for the job, and they will be contacting you or intimating you through your registered mail ID or registered mobile number for further job updates. And one more thing is, almost 80% people are watching our videos without subscribing. Kindly subscribe our channel. Your subscription will boost our confidence for uploading more videos. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to all BE, B.Tech and diploma holders. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.